Hey feds, someone recently asked about Medicare and how that works. And their specific question was, if I retire in good health and don't take Medicare, can I come back later on and take Medicare? The answer is yes, you can. Let's talk about this. Medicare Part A, you want to take. It's premium free. There's no reason not to. So just do it no matter what, period. Medicare Part B, however, is a little bit different. Medicare Part B, you have a window of eligibility to get in. And if you decide not to get in during those few months, then you're going to pay a penalty. So can you get in? Yes, you can. You'll just pay a penalty if it's too late. Now, this is something that we want to look at much earlier and figure out, am I going to be paying for Medicare and FEHB at the same time? So I have no out-of-pocket costs, or am I going to be doing one or the other? And what's the probability that I'll have to switch that and change that? These are the kind of questions you want to think about with healthcare to make sure that when you retire, you have all the coverage you need, but at the same time, you don't want to pay more than what you need to pay out as well. So a lot of little questions to ask, a lot of little things to think about regarding your Medicare and FEHB, and there could be other things like a spouse's, spouse's TRICARE from the military, or maybe your TRICARE, or could be a lot of different things. But it's really important to put all these little puzzle pieces together and make sure that you're not paying too much money out, but you're getting all the benefit you need.